What's up, curlies? It's your girl Talise, aka Curly Tails, and I'm back here with another video. And today, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be doing another wash and go with Curligan products. The only styler that I'm going to be using is their Curligan Gellee, which looks like this. And I'm going to be putting their Nourishing Hair Oil on top. I don't usually add oils to my wash and go, so I'm switching it up a little bit today. Let me know down below in the comments if you always add oils to your styles or if you never do. Curligan is a brand that I found out about on IG. I reached out to them and asked them if they would like to work with me because I have a YouTube channel where I review natural hair products, and they said yes, and they sent me their all-in-one Rich Mousse Curl Definer. That's this product right here. I used this product for a one product wash and go, and I absolutely loved my results. And because my wash and go was so poppin', I know this product will be amazing for a twist out or a braid out. I'm going to link that video down below in the description in case you guys haven't seen it, because you guys need to see what this product can do. One other thing I wanted to mention about Curligan is that they have an award-winning natural hair blog, which I'm going to link down below in the description. You guys should definitely subscribe to it because they talk about self-care, family care, and they also talk about scalp, skin, and hair care, and much more. So be sure to check them out. Before we get started with this video, I just want to say welcome back to all my subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, welcome, and make sure you hit the subscribe button right below this video, and also make sure you ring that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. And if you have a natural hair channel and I'm not yet subscribed to you, comment that down below and I'll subscribe back. Alright, let's get started. Alright, I'm working on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. I shampooed my hair using the Aloe Naturals Caribbean Coconut Milk Shampoo, and I did a battle for my deep conditioner, and it was a battle between the Shea Moisture Purple Rice Water Shampoo and their Power Greens Reconstructor. I'm going to link both of those videos down below in the description because they're going to be out before this one. You guys should definitely check them out if you haven't seen them. Alright, this is what the Gellee looks like inside the jar, and I am loving the way it looks. And it smells really good. It has a nice fruity kind of peachy scent. It smells really, really good. Curligan sent me a pamphlet along with the products, so I'm just going to read you guys the deets on these products really quickly. It says the Curl Gellee is a clear, lightweight, medium firm hold gel without added moisture and oils to define curls, control frizz, and prevent shrinkage without flaking or crunch. Can be used for edge control or combined with AIO, which is the all-in-one rich hair mousse, for a curl cocktail treat. It said it's perfect for humid climates. Apply a small amount to damp hair or combine with the all-in-one for added moisture and oil. And the Nourishing Hair Growth Oil says it's made with sunflower, avocado, coconut and olive oils, and shea butter and essential oils that stimulate hair follicles and counteract balding DHT. A light oil that easily absorbs into all hair types for deep, rich shine. It says it's great for hot oil treatments, and it's a must-have for all. I'm going to use this Gellee with the mousse in my next Curligan video, but for this video, I'm just going to be using the Gellee and the oil. Alright, I already sectioned my hair into 3 sections, so I'm going to get started by spraying my first section with some warm water and applying these products. This is what the Gellee looks like in my hands. And it feels really, really good. It feels slippery. It feels moisturizing. It feels like it's going to do a great job. Alright, this product definitely has slip. I'm having no problem at all detangling my curls. And this is what my first section is looking like after adding this Gellee. Look at this definition and shine. This Gellee has a lightweight consistency, but it is defining my curls so well. I'm just gonna add a little bit more to my hair, and then I'm gonna apply the oil. So I took 2 nickel-sized amounts of the oil and I added them to my hair, and this is what it's looking like now. I am just loving this, and I feel like it's gonna be a super quick wash and go because this did not take me long at all and I didn't have to shingle. Hallelujah! So I'm just gonna keep on adding these products to the rest of my sections. I'm gonna speed this up and I'll see you guys when I'm done. The first side is looking like, and it is popping and so shiny.